Hi boys and girls and parents. So we're going to show you guys how to put this birdhouse together here for you. So that's the end result. First we're going to apply the front, and to do that we got the back laying down, and we're going to tip up the bottom, and we're going to bring in the sides and line it up like that, and then we're going to put the top on like this, or the front I should say. And now we're just going to line things up. I would have normally glued the surface here first and then put the front on, line up the nails. Then you're going to pound in all the nails here, or hopefully let your student do that. Line up the sides. Sometimes when we're working with the kids, we'll start the nails and then let them finish pounding them in. Okay, so we're going to get all the bottom and the sides nailed to the front. And then you're going to roll it over, put some glue here again, and then put the back on and nail the back as well. And when you're done with that step, you're going to end up with something that looks like this. Okay? And then we have to apply the roofs. You can see the roof's got nail holes. We want to line those nail holes up with the front and the back. Once again, apply glue to the surface. This is probably the hardest step. Holding this while your child pounds this in can be a little bit shaky, but basically you're going to pound in both sides, line up the top, put in the other side as well. That side's a little easier now because you got something to hold it against. Line up the fronts. Pound all the nails in, and you're going to end up with that. Apply some glue to the peg for the bird to stand on, and shove it in the hole. There you go. There's your birdhouse.